Welcome children. In this module we are going to learn about the types of angles. We shall learn about how many types of angles are there, what is the name of this and everything. Before learning about that, let us just read it. An acute angle is a little so small. Right angle is the corner of a wall. Obtuse angle at 250 in daytime. Straight angle is a straw in Zoda line. So many angles all around, even in a mine. Once again, you read it. An acute angle is a little so small. Right angle in the corner of the wall. Obtuse angle at 250 in daytime. Straight angle in a straw in Zoda line. So many angles all around, even in a mime. Okay. In this song, it's a small rhymes. From this, you can learn some angles. See, an acute angle is a little so small. So you can look at this scissor. So before learning that, just we can look about this objects. You can look this scissor. It shows in this way. It creates that hands. It creates an angle. So this is an acute angle. Right angle in the corner of a wall. Look at your room, the corner. You can look at the corner. So it shows it looks like in this, isn't it? It is a perpendicular. It is called as perpendicular. So this is a angle. This is an right angle. This is a right angle. So when you are thinking about this is an right angle. Obtuse angle at 250 in daytime. Look at the clock. Now the time is 250. So you can think that this is one ray. The next is another ray. So when it joins like this, we can get one angle. This angle, you can look at the shape. There is a difference between this angle and this angle. This is a obtuse angle. Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, and then straight angle. So just if it is a midpoint, it joins. It looks like a straight line. So this is a straight angle in a straw and soda line. So it's a straw. When you are looking about the straw, if you join two straws like this, you will get a straight line. So that is a straight angle. Now we can go to learn how many angles are there, how to represent that in mathematical term. We can learn it. Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflection angle and zero angle. These are the angles. These are the types of angles we have. Let us see one by one. Look at this clock. The clock shows 3 o'clock. This clock shows 3 o'clock. So this is a basic line. This is a basement line. And the next line shows in perpendicular. Perpendicular means this is a perpendicular. Okay. This is not in a cross. It is in straight line. It is in a standing line. Isn't it? So this is called as perpendicular. So it creates a right angle. So this is a right angle. So in between these angle, if any in this place, if you draw any angles, if you draw any ray, it creates the acute angle. Look at this diagram. So first we created the right angle. This is a right angle. So in between this, if you are drawing like this, you can get many acute angle. This is called as acute angle. So by the just look the shape of the angle, you can find out is it a acute angle or right angle. So if it is in perpendicular, we can say it's a right angle. This is acute angle, this is also acute angle. So when you are thinking about this, you should not think about other angles, just you can think this angle. So this is an acute angle. If we don't have this, this is also one acute angle, and it goes on. Then we shall learn about the straight angle. Actually, here we have two rays. This is the first ray, and the next ray is, this is the second ray. This is a joining place. It looks like a line. But these are all two rays. Now also we can get an angle. So when we are thinking about this, we will get an angle like this. So this is called as straight angle. This is called as straight angle. When you think about the right angle, we already told that this is a right angle. It gives a right angle. So in between these places, if you have any angles, we will say that is acute angle. So in between this, if you have any angles, for example, if we are creating an angle like here, okay, and now you can think that we don't have an angle there, okay, we don't have any rays here, and also we don't have any rays here. Now we can say that this is a obtuse angle, okay, obtuse angle. So this is left side of the right angle, up to the straight angle. We will get all the angles are after the 90 degree, after this perpendicular line. If the ray is moving this side, left side, we can say all that angles are obtuse angle. First you must know about the right angle. So this is a basic line. So the basic line and the in between to the right angle, in between these two angles, if you draw any rays, that creates a acute angle. And if it moves, if the second ray moves beyond the right angle, left side, it gives a obtuse angle. Up to till we can say it is a obtuse angle. Then this is a straight angle. So if the line is straight to the basement line, we can tell that this is a straight angle. If the second ray begins here, we can say that is reflection angle. Okay, so acute, obtuse. So if it comes in this spot, we can say reflection. And the next ray, second ray, is on the basement ray alone, means if both are in the same way, in the same direction, we can say that is zero angle. So this part is a reflection part. So reflection angle, we can say that is a reflection angle. So in this module, we have learned how to identify the angles. Let me give some example for you to identify the angles. Just you can observe this example. In between the fingers, it creates a acute angle. This is a acute angle. And V, the alphabet V, it gives a acute angle. Scissor, it gives a acute angle. And here it's a piece of cake. It gives a acute angle. Look at these objects. So here the bed is there. So here the bed, this is a basement of the line, basic line. And here we have an angle. Another one joint is there, no? So we can tell that it is an angle. It creates an angle. So this is obtuse angle. The hanger. When you think about the hanger, you can think any one is the basement line, but it is not straight. If the next line is perpendicular, we can say that is a right angle, but it is beyond the center point. So we can say this is a obtuse angle. And you can look at this clock. The clock shows 2:50. It gives obtuse angle. This time is the example of straight angle. The time 6 o'clock. It gives a straight angle. Just you can observe this. Here you can think that this is a baseline. This is a basement line, and we are not telling about this angle. Now we are telling about this angle. Okay, outside. It is not inside. It comes outside. So because the minute hand comes from here only, no. So when it comes here, we can say that is a right angle. So when it comes here, we can say that it is a straight angle. It beyond here. So it beyond here. So we can say that this is a reflex angle. When the time shows 12 o'clock, we can say that is a zero angle. So dear children, these are the angles we have learned here. Just observing your objects surrounding you, you can find out, I can identify all the angles. In the mathematical term, we can learn in the next module. Thank you children.